Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Hold Alt plus Shift and draw the circle. Select this circle, go to Edit, copy, and paste in front. Now select this circle and increase this size. Now we take line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw the line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. Now I take pen tool. Simply click, draw and break this line. Now I take smooth tool. A little bit round it. Now we take reflect tool, vertical 90 degree, and copy. Now adjust this line perfectly. Select all and go to stroke palette and click round it. Select the sponge should be placed inside the circle. Now we take line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Shift and draw another line. Now select all, hold Alt plus Shift and duplicate this design. Now select these designs and take Shape Builder tool and discuss all unnecessary part. Now select these portions and take stroke palette and click round it. Now select all, go to object and expand. Select these portions and change the color. Already here is our band color. Select this line and press delete. For simply remove this. Now select the circle and change this fill color. Select this spoon, go to object and expand. Now select those, go to Pathfinder and click subtract. Here is our band name. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.